This is a cow. Cow gives us milk to drink. This is a hen. Hen lays eggs for us. This is a sheep. Sheep gives us soft wool. This is a horse. Horse helps people ride and pull carts. This is a pig. Pig eats leftovers and keeps the farm clean. This is a duck. Duck gives eggs and swims in ponds. This is a goat. Goat gives milk and eats weeds. This is a donkey. Donkey carries heavy loads on the farm.